All right, let's see where we at. Nice little range. The heck? I don't know what that was. Let's see if we got any more tariff issues, but so far, looks like we trending up. Maybe we might finally get our first real retrace. Looking for the 50% retracement mark from, what is that? Well, technically Friday, but over the weekend, got a nice gap down, so maybe we might refill it. All right, so nice gap down over the weekend. Looks like we're ranging up, but we ain't getting past the gap, so maybe we might retest the lows again. Ain't no gaps down here. Maybe not as strong because it's already been tested, but what this be? Essentially, what I'm thinking is, if we was to come down here and retest these gaps, but figure out how much I want to risk, because this seems like a lot. If I want to play it safe. There's another one. Thinking these ones ain't that strong though, because these wicks that's been inside there. And plus, what time is it? 6 o'clock? Well, 5:50. So when the market opens, I don't know, we probably can shoot up. Maybe I should short. Man, why it's not transferring over? I'm not about to do all that over again. Whoa. Big ass gap. Looks like if we was to play the there. Yeah, let me see about this. So this is a VWAP indicator I just put on just to see. I mean, I could tell already that it was somewhere right here. You know, point of interest basically. I have to do this every time. It don't look like the market's retracing anyway. That one got filled. So what I'm looking for right now is see where there's any fair value gaps. I don't like doing it in 1 minute, but I just want to see where there's some that's not touched, tapped into here. There we go. It's close to the lows. Yep, and that's the last one. Yeah, there's too many on the 1 minute. There's one right here. Tiny one right there, but I already got it. One right here. Yeah. See, that's too many, but nothing on the 5. The one that's tapped into already. Dang, I could have took this. Would have been a nice trade right here. I mean, tiny one. Well, I got an idea now. So essentially, if we don't get a retrace and we just keep going up, maybe it might be an up day, but it's almost 6. Still got like 30 minutes. So I don't like to buy at the top of the zone. I don't know what happened to my fair. What the heck? Shit, what pissed me off? There we go. See if we break this or stay below. But if we break these lows, then depending on what time it is, I might not even take a trade. Just let it just die. Assuming we break these lows. If we come back and retest anywhere below or right here, then I don't know. Just wait and see. But I'm gonna wait till we somewhere lower in this zone. Get back around this area. If I do take a trade, I'll put my stop loss below the low. Just so you know what it looks like. See if we fill this gap. What the heck? That's big. What the hell's going on? Buy and sell stuff. Okay. 49.20. Oof. It's fat. I mean, that would be nice. I don't know what's going on with the oh no. I'm liking right here. Anyways, just in case. Wouldn't want to shoot down and trigger me. Okay. All we need is come back in the zone. Get up under the VWAP. Feels dark. Not gonna take no trade until at least 5-10 minutes after market at least. %50 retracement right there, but it also is breaking this structure. All right. About 15 minutes. Dang. So it looks like we got rejected from fair value gap up here. All right, back in that zone that I'm looking for. So we're at the top of the zone. So the way I like to think about things is this would be technically buying the top, at least from this trend that's going on right now. Right here, you know, halfway point, but no volume because obviously it hasn't returned here. So all the volume's up here. And here's the lower half. Well, actually, there's a lot of volume right here, so either way, the 50% mark look like there's a lot of volume. But I don't like to buy halfway in between up or down unless, you know, it shows a reversal anyway. So let's just go ahead and set it and wait. And that's the 1 minute anyway. Looks like it might be coming back to the VWAP. Let's play it. You don't really like fair value gaps that get already tested? It's blowing right through it. Anywhere within here, if we do retest this, I need some confirmation, meaning something like this. Or better yet, like this one. Like a sweep, liquidity sweep, and then break out of it. Guess that's a paid feature. Looks like we're gonna come test this slow. Or I can't even say low, but this midpoint. Kind of hoping it don't come past this area. Consolidation down, and then maybe back up. Unless we get a big wick down here and it wicks back up, but we'll see. And I mean more of a wick on the 15-minute or even the 60-minute. That's why it's so dark. There we go. Okay. 2 minutes. VWAP. That's a nice engulfing candle. 1, 2. Okay, like I said, if we stay in this area, I'll be very happy. If we come down here, I'll have to reanalyze, but if we break this low, I'm just gonna take a break, probably come back later, see what happens. I'm not gonna sit here too long. Two, one. Let's see what market does. Ain't no volatility. There we go. There's midnight. Damn, midnight open. So what usually does happen is sometimes we can retrace to the midnight open, which is pretty much at the bottom. So there we go. Well, not what I wanted to see, but some volatility. Looks like we might retrace all the way down to midnight open. Okay. So I got up on 15. Yeah, dude. So I might end up playing this big fair value gap that you guys saw me draw earlier. From like last year. Oh, okay. Here goes another one. So look, now we just made a new gap. Well, what time is it? Still got 10 minutes actually. But in 10 minutes we'll make a new gap right here. Still got to fill this one. I mean, we tapped into it and got rejected. Looks like we're getting tapped into it again and get rejected. But let's see. One of these days I'll be a short scalper. Not short, but quick scalper, whatever you want to call it. I could have been taking this short this whole time from off of here. As soon as it got rejected, so it tapped into it twice. Now I could see. No, I wouldn't have, maybe. Basically, what I'm thinking is if I would have took the trade right here, if I was looking only on the 1 minute, but there was no confirmation, this probably would have been. Yeah, I probably would have took it off this candle. I probably would have my stop right here. I would have been got mad that I got wicked up. Uh-oh. We're getting there. Like I said, looking for the bottom tracement over here, and then it's only been 6 minutes, so I'm still not even gonna take no trade anyway. The only way I take market open trades is if I'm awake early enough to analyze what I think may happen, but now, you know what's been going on lately. Look, about to break this low. Look, 1, 2 fair value gaps. It's 5 minutes, that's why. Boom. Broke it. A big old engulfing candle. 1, 2, 3, almost 4 candles. See what it looks like on the hourly. Now you can get a better insight of what's been going on. Friday we closed up here, gap down. What? Circuit breaker time. Retrace. Almost all of it. Dang, how big is this? Damn, 5.5%. 6% if you include this. These some big ass moves, man. Even this move right here. Heck, let me fix this. What's going on with that view? It's like a candle behind. Oh, okay, we're getting something. So look, I don't necessarily always do it, but not anytime, but you could have took a trade off the golden retracement zone right here, because that's still a good move. You could have took a deep pullback. Look at this one. See? I'm about to start scalping these and just have tight stop losses. But yeah, because it's close to the bottom zone, like I said, and I said anywhere in this zone, I'll be looking to take a trade and not even paying attention. Really, I'm waiting for next 5 minutes. 6:45-ish, 7 o'clock. Well, 7 o'clock my time. And we might continue down too. But so the plan is when it gets down to this level, see how it acts. If it wicks like this, let me go on 15 minutes. If it does something like this, I might get interested, but I need another candle like this one right here. And then take the trade on the retest going back up. So technically, let's say it came down here and test this. I'll need to break the 3.8. Or I can wait for the 50% retracement, but see, that's already back in the mid of the range. I mean, one. That's not a 101. Let's say I got in. Well, like I said, I need a wick, but that's possible. So that's not doable though. So anywhere around here, then I can get a good chance of, really testing all the way up here, but I'll be happy with somewhere around 618 on the retest. Because it looks like we're breaking. We're probably going to come back and test these midnight highs or midnight lows. So right here. If we wick down here, I'm getting in. Let's see. I'm going to go to hourly. Waiting for this candle to almost close. Got this VWAP tripping. Guess just waiting for this candle to close. I need to change the settings. And there she goes. All right. $5 minutes about to close in 1 minute. So it's 15. So like I said, when it's 15-minute close, I'm gonna start looking to see if I can get that right pattern that I'm looking for. But we're probably gonna make another gap. Okay. Nice rejection. Now, if the next candle opens and doesn't retest any of this wick, might be a good sign, but we needed to fill this wick. It needs to look something like this one. Or like I said, even like this. Yeah. But ideally you want this, but it's already too late for that one. If this was the middle candle and this one just opened up straight up, I'll like that because that'll be a nice liquidity sweep. But like I said, I think we're coming down here, test these lows again. See what that 15-minute new candle look like. Okay, it's almost there. There we go. All right, there goes the wicks. See what this candle does. If it can test right here and then get another rejection, I would like that too. But look, we just broke the structure a little bit. This needs to close though. Yeah, we're shooting back up to the VWAP, so I like that. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm about to get in. I like the way this is looking. go with 4. All right. And I was fast. Oh shoot. I gotta put my bad. I didn't even know I didn't have that up. There we go. Like I said, see if we get out over here. Leave that running. Good, we created another gap too. Right there. Don't matter how big or how small, it still counts. Yeah, I can see it fine. And technically, I'll just take this. Yeah, I'll count this as filled. All right, we set. Dang, I should have went in with more. Dang, this is gonna be a hard zone to break. Well, that's the 1 minute. Let me see. Yeah, this might be a tough little zone to get past. You know what? Just like I said. Just like I said. And don't come back down. Oh, snap. Wasn't paying attention. Nice. Okay. Jeez, boom. Let's see what this one does. I'm just gonna trail it. Just if we can. If we get up there, I'll be happy. And so What time is it? 6:53. Risk-free trade. That's how we like it. Already locked in $600, so the rest. We pumping. At least I thought we was. Oh, gone. I like it. Dang. See this fair value gap? Let me show you something. Look at this. This fair value gap comes back from all the way from November 14th of 2023. I think that's why I rejected so hard both times. God dang. This is on the 2-day chart. All right, big rejection. Broke that zone. Breaking out of this zone again. Might be coming for these highs. You know what? Just you know what? Yeah. Here's what I'm gonna do. Never mind. What happened to the one cancels the other though? I gotta figure out what the heck happened. Come on. That's what I'm gonna do. Put this there. Do that. And there we go. And we out. $1,000. Well, minus a commission, but we're gonna go with $1,000. Sound better. How long that take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. About 15 minutes. Either way, I mean, I talked with you guys through it, but just to give you a recap what I was thinking from the very beginning, we was already ranging. So I marked out my range, which was originally about right here. No, not even right there. I think I did this one. So this was gonna be my range that I want to play in. I don't like to get in the top of ranges no matter what, unless this in the morning was a takeoff up here. Then I'll consider this a new range and make this the support, but that didn't happen. We went halfway to here. I did have this fib pulled. So I told myself anywhere from this zone, where do I have? it wasn't tapped in yet. Anywhere from this zone I'll get into. If it did break down here, then I wasn't gonna get in no trade until a full retracement happened all the way back up here. So shit. Well, I'll fix it later. I'm about to get off anyway. But what I was saying, wait for retracement to come down here. If it came down too far, then I was gonna wait for it to just either keep dropping or wait for a retest all the way back up to up. Let me draw it out. So let's say it dropped all the way down. Oh damn, that was. Where's the freaking drawing to it? Maybe this will work. Yeah, so if it came down here and just kept falling, I'll wait for it to retest right here, and I probably would have just got into a short and just see if it took out those lows and kept going. But it didn't, so we like that. So yeah. What time is it? Hey, 7:05. We like those. We like those. Now, normally I'll switch to a different account because right now I'm doing PropFirms, so I'll switch to a different account and just use the other one, but we good. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, depending on how the rest of the day goes, because we are rejecting off of here, but for now I'm tired, so that's it.